Assignment 2. 1. Tell me a little about yourself. My name is Ian. I'm 22 years old and I come from Quang Thi and has majored in marketing. I am a person who can work well with everyone. I enjoy communicating with different types of people and I always challenge myself to improve everything I do. I always want to be in equilibrium. When I work, I want to work hard, and when I'm not working, I enjoy participating in my personal activities such as sports. 2. What are your strengths? I believe my strongest strength is my attention to detail. This trait has helped me tremendously in this field of work. Mm, I've always been a great team player. I'm good at keeping a team together and producing quality work in a team environment. I think I am a good problem solver and creative at work. 3. What are your weaknesses? This might be bad, but call, I thought that I procrastinated a lot. I realized this problem and I'm working on it by finishing my work ahead of schedule. The week the weakest strength I struggled with was not asking for help. I always try to solve my own problem instead of asking a co-worker who might know the answer. This would save me more time and I would be more uh, eff- efficient. I'm working on knowing when it would be beneficial to ask for help. 4. What are your salary expectations? I want my salary to fit my qualification and experience. 5. Why would you like to work for us? Um, I know that the company I mean to expand its operation to international markets. With the experience working in my field, I am sure that I can contribute to this company to achieve its work.